Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Life in the Province. And it's another wonderful day here in the Philippines. As you can see, the weather is so nice today. And we have lots of gumamela flowers beside our house. As you can see, it's so pretty, guys. Look at that. We can grab it here inside in the terrace. It's so nice, so pretty. And there's more over there. More gumamela. And look at this beautiful view in front of our house. So nice. Beautiful day. Another day for solar. Another day for free electricity. And over here we have some eggs in the incubator. Still not hatching yet, but soon they will be hatched. This is one of our incubator, and we check our babies here in the brooding box. Hi guys, hi there. Wow, they're getting bigger, and over here, as you can see, they're more bigger than this side here. Looks like they are almost 1 month. It's a little bit dirty. We cleaned this morning, but we can't keep it clean all the time. So we're gonna clean it again later today. Hi babies! They are very active. Hi babies! Hi there! Hi! Hi there! Are you guys okay? Hi! And look at that. So we have more chicks coming. And let's check here at the back side. So this chicken here, it belongs to my relative. They've been hanging here at the house. And we have another incubator here. So we have more eggs on this side. So we just put it a couple days ago. And we have a lots of egg that it not hatched from the previous. I think it's maybe because of the weather here. It's too hot. So maybe it affect some of our eggs. That's why it don't hatch a lot of eggs last time. So we try to put more on this incubator here. Let's see if it will be hatched. It will. I hope they will be okay. So we search it in the internet. Said that it's maybe because of the weather. It's too hot, or maybe need a little bit more hot in the incubator, more temperature. So we try to do that, and hopefully next time we have a better luck. Especially we have a lot of eggs on this incubator here in the other side. So that's part of life, guys. We're still moving on it. And look at our cats here. That's John Boy. We call it John Boy, but she's a female. She's a female. She's a mama. Hi, John Boy. Hello there, John Boy. And some of our cats is downstairs. They're hanging there downstairs because there's a lot of leftover foods that my mama throw. So they're after for the foods there downstairs. Hi, John Boy. Hi there. You look so pretty today, John Boy. So, let's see. Why are you so serious?
I'm not getting credit for 1,000 pesos. That's why.
For what?
My Wi-Fi.
Really?
Yeah. I just paid it.
What happened to our van?
I went to.
They fixed the what is
I
that?
got a boot ripped on the CV joint and tie rod ends.
Tie rod ends. They put a new one, right?
And, yeah. Plus, going to do one side of the back end. Made a mistake and I ordered 2 of them, but it's okay.
Why?
I can get another one if necessary.
Okay. So let's check here, guys. So one of our trusted mechanic has been here this morning to fix our van. They need to put a new bolt and C-joint and some other thing. I forgot what my husband told me. But we make sure that our van is okay because we've been always going somewhere and we need this van to be good condition because we've been traveling many times and we need our van because we don't have other transportation to use. And they've been fixing, so that's the mechanic, one of the mechanic there, and the other one is Willie. Willie has been helping the mechanic because the mechanic is no helper this time, so he tried to help. So that's where the sama na butang. Try to fix the shock also. They try to fix the shocks. We also let him check some of other stuff in the bearings, the tensioner, because we heard a lots of noise inside, and we don't know what is that noise. So look at that, guys. It's over there in the creek. There's a tree man over there in the creek. I think they've been looking for fish. They've been catching some fish or small shrimp over there. As you can see, they're holding a net. That's where they're gonna use to catch the fish or the shrimp, the small shrimp. Looks like they have a lot of fish on that net bag there, in that red net bag. So that's what they're doing, guys. To have foods, they just get some foods from the creek because there's a lot of fish there on the water and some small shrimp. You have it back? I pity with them.
Any of those seeds coming up down there?
Any
of those seeds coming up?
I don't know. I not check it yet. See how they do. They have that like a bamboo where they put the net. They're enjoying doing on that. Let's see, guys, in our mini garden. We have papaya here. There's a fruit now, guys, as you can see. Our lime tree is not bearing some fruits yet. So let's check here at the other side. Oh, our banana is almost ready. Look at that. It's almost ready, guys. And over here also. Wow, look at that. Almost. Almost. That one is maybe in a couple of days we can get it. Looks nice. So this property here, it belongs to our neighbor before, but they sell it to us because they need money that time, and that's why we bought this property here. It's not really expensive, it's just very affordable because it's not really big area. Oh, look at this one. Wow, there's a lot of papaya on here. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh, thank you, Lord. Free papaya for us. It's more here at the backside. There's more in there. Wow, look at that. So nice. It's really good when it be ripe. It be very sweet to eat. You can use this one, the green one, to make a soup, chicken soup. You can put some papaya on it, and it's really good. Virgil loves that. And you can use this green one also. You can put some sardines on this, and it's really good. That's one of my favorite. Papaya with sardines. Oh my god, that's a lot of papaya on there. And there's more on here. Wow. Wow, so nice. Oh, there's mini papaya. Wow. I can't wait when it ripes. And my husband loves papaya. And my father is planted some tree here. Unsa ni pa? Kani? Unsa ni nga kuan? Kahoy. Ha? Talisay. We call it talisay tree. And we have a lots of lemongrass. And there's more tree here. This is the talisay tree there. And this one is, we call it mansinitas. I don't know what you call it in English. So there's more mansinitas here. And we plant. Oh, looks like it's growing, guys. The one my father planted. He planted a lot of vegetables in this area here, and looks like it's growing now. Look at that. Unsa nimong gitanom dire? Kani ba? Sama ni? Kani pa ba? Ha? Kani ba? Unsa ni? I asked my father what did he plant this. He forgot what he planted here because he not put any. Maybe it's a paper. It's a lot there. Oh. Nabuhi na oh. Butangin iguan.
Sama sa sili nila.
Mura manig. I don't know what is this, guys. He forgot what did he plant here because my husband gave him some seeds and he just planted it and he don't know what is. He knows the picture but he forgot what he planted here. It's many, guys. I don't know what. Let's see if it's growing more. And there's more there. Si kung ano ni sa manok ba, the problem over here is there's a lot of chickens been disturbing our plants, so we need to be more careful, because that's why my father put some wood here. There's more plants here because there's a lot of chickens and dogs. They've been disturbing with the plants. They keep digging on the ground, getting more foods in the ground. There's more. We plant some like a spinach on this side here. Yeah. Wait, I'll be there. My husband called me. Oh my God. We need to replace two of our shacks, Daddy.
Struts is what they are.
Struts. This is the struts.
Yeah.
And we need to replace it because it's bad.
We're lucky it didn't do more damage than we did when we hit that speed bump.
And good thing that we keep the original. This is the original struts.
Unsa gani issue ani na original, ma'am?
What is the issue on the original be?
Wasn't no issue, I just wanted new.
Murag wala man guro.
Unsa?
Na original.
Yeah.
Yarang gi kuanan.
Maba man eh.
Ha?
Diferensya? Maba man eh.
Maba ang.
Gani. Ingon mo patasan mo. Anam tay lift up dia. Mo tay gamiton na to ani. Mo to na ingon ka na.
Wala man kuno ni kuan ya, yarang gipakuan ba?
Taas ni.
This is the long kani. Mura no taas. This is a longer one. That's why we replace the original because we want the long.
Yeah.
Then
anak mi siya lift up ba?
because we do a lift up that time.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the extension there.
Oh, mao na extension. This is the extension. And
kanira tong tangon.
we need to put it back the original because we don't have an extra this time. We need to order a new one.
Temporary lang sa ni.
Just for temporary because we don't have here on hand. We need to buy it through
Duha jud to
online.
ilisan na madama.
Ha?
Duha. Himpay man eh.
Okay, di ba? Kay kuha duha man na sila, so we need to replace both of them.
Ang tangon to rin mo.
Yeah, that's what I've been hearing.
Ayaw na.
Yeah.
Ang kanira to ibalik.
It's been
Tangon na to.
long time. It's been long time that we've been hearing that sounds. What sounds? The one we heard last time we.
That bird sound you heard?
Yeah.
I think, let him check that tensioner bearing before he leaves. I've got a new one.
Palihog po mig-check sa tensioner daw.
Sa
Tensioner bearing.
Yeah, just check it. If it's bad, I've got a new one.
bearing sa
Tensioner bearing.
tension niya.
So we let him check the tensioner bearing because we have
I
a
don't think it's bad yet.
we have a new one here. If ever that it's bad, we have a new one on hand. It's really, it's good thing that we let him check it all because we want to be safe all the time when we travel,
Kuan po niya dayana o. Wala si rubber.
because it's really hard when you have something is breaking when you are in the road. It's really hard to get some help, especially when you are traveling so far. You can get help everywhere. You need to be
See, that's why I don't like those things we.
it's good that you not throw that one. Willie is going to sell it because there's a person here that gonna buy like a junk stuff. Then Willie told him that no, I'm not going to sell it because maybe Pete is going to have it in the future.
Good thing, because I now need it. So we be
I
down
know.
for the count.
Yeah, we be like staying here until that parts we order
Yeah,
it
we might
will.
be here for months. No, we might not be able to leave till after Christmas.
Yeah, thank you, Lord. We're still lucky, right?
I try to be a step ahead. Sometimes I don't.
Look at that coconut, guys. Coconut tree. Has lots of buko there, Daddy, at the top now. But still small, as you can
This is
see.
what I like.
Yeah, my husband liked that coconut there, the buko, because it's a little bit like hard, right, baby? You don't like the smooth?
Of course, we're going to have to cut that tree for too long.
Yeah. Need to go check my foods.
So it's going to block our solar
Yeah,
in the evening time.
yeah. So I'm gonna check the foods because I'm cooking some pork soup for their lunch. So I'm cooking some pork soup for their lunch so that he don't need to go back there at the shop to eat lunch. Save time. It's my pork soup. I'm waiting it to be more soft so that I can put the vegetables. This is the pichay. It looks like a cabbage. We call it pichay. It's almost ready, guys, to put the vegetables. It's a little bit soft now. The meat is a little bit soft, so I'm gonna put the vegetables. I need to add more water on it because only small water in there. So I already put some seasoning on it. So Filipino loves to have more soup on their dishes. So I need to put more water, and that's why I put more water on it. I need to cover it. And I have some rice. It's already cooked. That's the rice that I cooked, guys. So it's ready. I'm still waiting for my pork soup to boil, and I'm gonna put the vegetables, and it's ready. It's a little bit hot inside. Oh, that's the baby of the mother, the mama cat. That's the baby of John Boy. We call it Buttons. Buttons?
Yeah.
It's been drinking milk. I think he's male. Male. Hi Buttons. Hi Buttons. Hi Buttons. They've been catching a baby rat lately.
Good.
I saw lots of I saw some rats downstairs, but it's a little
Baby.
yeah, it's a baby rat. So
They was chasing one up here last night.
really,
Yeah.
so that's the mango of my grandma over there, and there's not a lot of fruits because they've been harvesting. So maybe next year be more fruits again. Oh, so beautiful in here. So I'm glad that I have that original struts in the van, because if we don't have, we need to wait maybe a month to get a new one, and we be stuck here in the house. We can go out. I can go out riding a habal-habal or a motorcycle, but my husband can't ride a motorbike because of his back. He have a problem on his back. So I'm glad that we keep the struts so that we can put it there temporarily in our van. So thank you so much, guys, for all the love, the support, and for all the likes and nice comments. I really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos, and for all my new subscribers out there. Thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So until my next video, guys, so thank you so much again, and God bless us all.